Hey everyone, want to learn how to use PowerShell 7 on Windows 11? PowerShell 7 is Microsoft's modern command line shell and scripting platform that helps you manage your system, automate repetitive tasks, and perform advanced administration with ease. In this full guide, I'll show you everything you need to get started with PowerShell 7 on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click the Start button, type PowerShell 7, and open the application. If you need elevated permissions for administrative tasks, click the app and choose Run as Administrator. Before you begin, verify that you're running PowerShell 7 by executing the following command: PS version table, PS version. If the version starts with 7, you're ready to go. Now let's learn a few essential commands. These commands allow you to view your current location, list files, and move between folders. Get location, get child item, set location C. /users PowerShell includes a powerful help system. You can learn about commands without leaving the terminal. Get help, get service, get command * service. These commands display documentation and search for available commands. Next, try a few common administrative commands. You can view running processes, installed services, and detailed computer information. Get process, get service, get computer info. Finally, PowerShell becomes even more powerful when you automate tasks using scripts. Navigate to your script folder and execute a script like this. cd home /desktop, my script. PS, if script execution is blocked, you may need to adjust your execution policy before running scripts. And that's how to use PowerShell 7 on Windows 11. Once you understand the basic commands, built-in help system, and scripting capabilities, you'll be ready to automate tasks and manage your Windows PC much more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.